Alright, so whoever this video ends up reaching, it is meant to reach you for a reason. Now, I have no control over what y'all do on this YouTube platform, whether you subscribe, whether you give the video a thumbs up, whether you even watch this video through. But I am going to tell y'all the truth, bruh. Your addiction to pornography is slowly but surely cooking you. It is destroying you mentally, it is destroying you spiritually, and it is keeping you out of alignment with the best version of yourself. Alright? Now, one of the hardest things for us to do as human beings is admit to ourselves that we have a problem. And that was one of the hardest things for me to do when I first started this journey, getting on semen retention and learning more about NoFap. I felt very lonely. I felt like I had nobody to really talk to about this journey, right? About my addiction. And when I first got on this YouTube platform, because I started watching, SR content, it made me feel like I wasn't alone, right? Now I get it, this is the internet, so I know like majority of the people I ain't never gonna meet in real life, but I still felt like there were people that could relate to what I was going through. Now, when you watch those videos, you gotta remember that there is a certain energy that is attached to you. It's dark energy. It is energy that you can't really see with these two physical eyes, but it's energy that you can feel. And it's become so normalized in this society to the point where they continue to allow it to be free so that you're paying with your most valuable asset, which is your time and your energy. And you're consciously draining yourself full of the life force energy that God has given to you to use to create. And whether you're a man or a woman, you need to learn how to admit this problem to yourself. Now, I'll tell y'all on a spiritual level, ever since I've been on semen retention and NoFap, I have been a lot more connected to the source. I've learned how to naturally bring myself back to my natural state. I've learned how to take control over my life and realize that there's so many things outside of myself that I cannot control. I realized that I have a lot of internal shadow work to do on a day-to-day basis, and that the PMO videos is never going to help me in life anyway. It's not going to help me elevate, evolve, change into a better version of myself. It's not going to help me get closer to God. It's not going to help me make money. None of that. All it does is it drains you and it leaves you feeling empty. Now I get it. You want the feeling. You want the dopamine. You want the rush that flows through your vessel. Before you even about to watch the video, you want that feeling. You probably want to hear the noises. You probably want to hear the constant, right? But you got to remember, bruh, it's real to the people that's doing it, but it's fake to you because you're watching it, but you're not actually indulging into the action. And you're not indulging into the action with your significant other. Learning how to control your sexual energy is a superpower on its own because this is the highest form of energy that we have. So if you know how to control your sexual energy and you know how to cultivate it and harness it into other areas of your life, you indeed will be able to change your life and bring better things into your life that you desire, that you want. Whether it's a new job, whether it's more money, whether it's a significant other, whether it's even working for yourself, finding a stronger connection with God. Those things are tangible things, but you have to first change yourself. Things that I think about too is like, how are we going to help out the next generation? Because these are going to be repeated cycles. And one day somebody's going to be my age telling you guys about PMO and telling y'all about getting on semen retention for the generation behind them. You can't waste your time and energy watching things that serve you no purpose. You got to remember that your subconscious mind learns by repetition, right? And your brain is like a sponge, so your brain takes in everything, right? And our best way to learn things is through experience. So in order for you to learn how it feels to be on SR, to be on NoFap, you have to experience it for yourself. You have to take back the power and take back the energy and use this energy to your advantage. You got to go without watching this stuff, bro, watching PMO. Because PMO is one of the biggest distractions. And I can tell you, like I told y'all before, that's going to lead to different addictions. You're going to be addicted to drugs. You're going to be addicted to drinking, alcohol addiction. You're going to be addicted to partying all the time, right? You're going to be addicted to very like things that's like very impulsive. And that can literally destroy your life. You're not going to have the emotional intelligence that you truly need as a man or as a woman, because your emotional stability is being wasted to you watching a whole bunch of PMO videos and you releasing your energy. Do you know when you release and you get that orgasm, you get that feeling where you like, that is, in a way, that is a part of you that is being let go. You're releasing it. It's like slow destruction. And it takes your body time. Yes, as a man, you constantly have energy flowing through you. But if you're constantly releasing it, it takes your body time to rejuvenate. So if you're doing it every day, let's just say you're doing it 2-3 times a day, think of how many times, think of how many times you're releasing the energy in a year. And that's energy that could have helped you change your life, change your perspective on life. That's energy that could have helped you bring things to life that you wanted to bring to the life from your mind. You know, it's crazy. I was watching a video yesterday and this guy was saying, I forgot the name of the channel, but the guy was saying like, sometimes people are player two in their own lives. They're like a side character when you're supposed to be the main star. This is your life. But we get on these things and we watch everybody else living their life and we start subconsciously comparing our lives to somebody else's life that you don't even know. When you are the creator of your reality. You know? So I wanted to create a better reality for myself, and every day I'm doing the work. I know that in order for me to continuously be the best version of myself, I could not be addicted to PMO. I couldn't be addicted to releasing my energy. I need my energy. If it ain't about to procreate and bring another version of me on this planet, I need to create a better version of me on this planet. And it requires self-discipline. It requires self-introspection, right? It requires for me to go deep within and ask myself, like, you got to ask yourself, why was you so addicted to porn, and what type of void was you trying to fill that's never going to be filled? It would never, bro, it would never, I don't care how many videos you watch, it would never be filled, bro. Ever in your life. You could watch 1 million porn videos and you're still going to be unhappy. You got to give your brain a chance to rest and rewire and reprogram itself. And you got to get back to your natural state. You have to. Because that stuff is frying you, it's cooking you. And you could lie all you want and not admit it to yourself. But when you get older, you're going to start questioning yourself and asking yourself, why did I let myself go? Why was I so addicted to that for so many years? Why did nobody tell me to stop? Why wasn't I even telling myself to stop? Because nobody's forcing you to do these things. Nobody forced you to watch the videos. Nobody forced you to release your seed. Nobody's forcing you to do this. You're consciously making the decision to do it, and then you face the repercussions by the way that you're constantly feeling. Some people are afraid to face how they feel. You can't run away from how you feel. So you got to take back the control. You got to take back the power. Or somebody else is controlling you. You got to let go of that energy, and you got to allow it to flow somewhere else, bruh. Allow it to cultivate and to harness and to put it into more creative ideas. Because where your attention goes, your energy flows. Alright? Looking type, alright, y'all see it. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm back at it with some more content. Shout out to everybody, too. Everybody in the SR community, NoFap community. Everybody that's just supporting the YouTube channel. If you are new and you want to support me, just subscribe. It's free. If not, I don't care. Life goes on. It's your boy, Thomas Carter. Yes, sir.